Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to make another spring backdrop with the pastel colors that I've made twice before, and I'll show you pictures of what I created before. Right now, I have this crushed taffeta, and it doesn't have a pocket sewn into it. So what I'm trying to do is attach it to white panels with corsage pins, and it's not going to work out too well, but I just want to show you all that sometimes it's a process to make these designs. So I added like a total of 4 panels at this point, and I'm pinning it onto the the white panels. And this is only one panel because I believe it's like 9 feet wide. So I'm gonna have to try to see, like, I have too much fabric, but this may be the second one. So what I end up doing is saying, okay, forget it. I'm just gonna use a safety pin and I'm gonna just pin it on that way. But the only problem with that was I had a small number of safety pins, so I was only able to do one panel. So I would have liked to use both of my crushed taffeta panels for my second layer, but I wasn't able to because I just did not want to sew it. So I have finally sewn it, so when you all see me using this again, it'll look a lot fuller for that base layer. Okay, so I'm just continuing to pin, taking you up close, letting you see how I pinned it with safety pins. So this is a way to create a pole pocket, quick and easy. Now I'm adding 6-inch Valance hangers to add my second pole on. So now I'm just measuring to make sure they're nice and even. Sometimes it's kind of hard. So I would suggest just starting on the outside and kind of working your way on the inside. I'm using position line to attach my picture frame. The picture frame that you're gonna see right here is so beautiful. It comes from Etsy. I'll be sure to link that below. I want to add flowers into my floral panels, so that's why I'm adding the pool noodle. Here's a quick method for making your pole cover. Adding that on. So these are the floral panels I got from AliExpress. I'm attaching them with zip ties, just showing you how I thread it through. I am going to run out of zip ties, and then you'll see what I'm going to do in order to still be able to attach my flower rolls. So I use a total of 4 of these. So I end up having to use pipe cleaners for the last flower row or flower panel. So now I'm just inserting my baby blue, my pink roses, and lavender roses just to coordinate with the draping. And then I have some eucalyptus leaves to add a little bit more greenery. Okay, I'm beginning to pleat my fabric. I want to do a weave design. Notice how the pink, I kept it straight, but when I got to the blue panel, kind of let it drop some. And then for the lavender panel, I dropped it even more. This one I went under, over, under. I'm going to do the same thing with the pink that I did on the other side. For the baby blue, I went over, under, over. I swagged it a little bit more. And then for the lavender, I went under the pink, over the blue, and under the lavender. So I got these tie backs from Amazon. I was trying to take you in to let you see it. This is how it turned out. I absolutely love this design. It just gives me princess vibes, and it just has a princess feel to it. This is a closer look at the flowers. I love how that turned out. I absolutely love working with the picture frame. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time. Bye.